Hold on tight because we're diving into the science of a cough. A cough is more than just a noise, it's your body's natural reflex to clear your airways. But did you know, with every cough, thousands of tiny droplets are released into the air? These droplets can carry viruses, bacteria, and other irritants. Think of them as tiny invaders, ready to spread to anyone nearby. So how can we stop them? One. Simple steps can make a big difference in keeping those germs at bay. Stay safe and healthy, everyone. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more health tips.